This is our project sorting of metal and non-metal. The main component of our project is the Arduino Uno, which is used to interface all the other components. The IR sensor is used to detect the object kept in the platform. And once the IR sensor detects an object, the inductive proximity sensor here detects whether the object kept is metal or non-metal. Accordingly, the signal will be sent to the servo motor, which will operate this platform and dump the object into the respective compartment, that is either metal or non-metal compartment. Also, we have installed ultrasonic sensors in each of the compartments, which are used to detect when the compartment is full. Once the compartment gets full, then the message will be sent through the GSM to the authority or the owner. Also, we have an LCD. Also, we have placed an LCD which displays the current status of each of the bins. Also, whenever an object will be dumped in each of the compartment, then the LCD will display the message that the object has been dumped to the compartment. Now we will show you the example of working. First, we will try by keeping a non-metal object here on the platform. It will be dumped into the non-metal side here. Now we will try by another example of non-metal object, a waste garbage paper. It will be dumped to the non-metal side and the message will be shown to in the LCD that dumping to the non-metal side. Now we will show you an example of metal waste. This metal waste, it will be dumped into the metal side and message will be shown in the LCD that dumping to the metal side. Now, when the metal, any of the compartment is full, then the message will be displayed on the LCD and also a message will be sent to the authority or the owner. See, the spin is full and we need to vacate it. The same message will be sent to the authority or the owner. Here, the spin is full, vacate it.